This is so good. So that's a lot of smoke.
I can see it in your eyes. You've seen the moon and its darker side. I can feel the gravity, the forces pull between you and me. Yes, it's true, I'm falling hard for you, but I won't rush this love. I can wait even if it's hard to take one moment.
Hello, we're at the airport and we're gonna drop off our bags to get checked. So we dropped off our bags and now we're gonna go to TSA.
Yes.
And yeah, we're good to go.
Very simple.
Smart water and a chocolate muffin.
Adorable little dog. I love service dogs, just working away. Just always on the job, being cute.
Supreme Wood, ready to go.
If it's hard to take, one moment is enough. I will be standing here right by your side. I will be standing here till the end of time. I will be standing here all through the night, till the stars align.
We made it. We're in Orlando.
Yes. Orlando, Florida.
Look at,
Oh my goodness.
they're all decorated. So I got my carry-on bag. I had two people think it was theirs and I'm like, no, it's mine. And now we gotta find Magical Express. Wow, look at this freaking wall. Going to lane 7. Dang, we checked in and the bus is already here to take us, so we're jumping right on. Pulling up to the red carpet. Wow, look at. This is our first time staying in music. It's pretty cool. They have all of the artists up here. And we did early check-in, so we don't even have to go to the front desk. We could just go straight to the room and use our magic band to scan in. I think so. Let's look.
Yeah.
Maybe we could go swimming later? If you want. I mean, it's gonna be one of the warmer days today.
Might be raining though.
We'll see. Interesting. It looks like a little street. And there's a little pool over there. The piano pool. Look at us walking down Broadway. We look so out of place. Seriously, look so out of place walking down this street here. Alright, we're on the ground floor. I requested our room to be on the ground and to be ready early. So here we go. Look, they're showing The Lion King and The Little Mermaid. Ooh, and Beauty and the Beast. almost to the room. Oh, last. You tap it. Oh, cool. Oh, look at this. It says we've arrived. I just got a notification. Oh. So we just got into the room. First thoughts, it's very clean. It smells like a brand new car. So I think I'll do a quick room tour right now. So you walk in and we have this little table here that also pulls down to a Murphy bed. And then, you're not gonna do it? Oh. And then they already have this TV playing, and we haven't stayed in a newly renovated room yet, so like this is pretty nice. It's brand new big TV. We got this dresser cabinet area. Then we also have this little coffee bar with fridge. Very nice. And then we also got laminate floors. And then we have a, what is it, farmhouse pole door type thing going on. This is the bed. And then, ooh, the bathroom looks nice. Definitely an upgrade from the previous. We got nice sliding doors here. Oh, it's very nice. And I like this color green. It just looks really clean. Very updated and modern. The sink, got some storage underneath. Yeah, here's the overview of the room. We've got some cute artwork above. What do you think? Good?
I like it.
I like it, it's very clean.
That's the word I would use, clean.
Bed test. It's really soft. I like it. So we just got ready to go to Disney Springs. We have reservations at 3:30 for CityWorks. And I just got dressed real quick, did my makeup, and I think we're gonna get the bus.
I definitely need belt.
Oh yeah, Chris packed all jeans and forgot a belt. That's good. Thank you. They sell beer and wine here. That's crazy. Oh look, they have all the maps. I took the Magic Kingdom one. Wow. It's so pretty. Oh. Try it. It just spins it. I don't know. So we made it to Disney Springs. We're really hungry. Our original reservation was at 3:30, but we changed it to 3. So we're saving 30 minutes because we're super hungry. And in the meantime, we're gonna walk and try to find a place to get a belt for this guy. I love how it's decorated. Love it. Just loving the vibes here. We're gonna go into Disney style. Never been in there before. Also, there's super dark clouds coming. Hopefully we're inside when it starts to rain.
I like the idea.
Looks nice.
That's a great map.
A long time ago and again.
Just got some
So wait, so
to
if
go.
Shrek can start faded, then that will make what's her name?
This is so good. She said it's the Dole whip with the pina colada in it.
And then she's on the top. Get it?
bow tie.
Yeah, that'll be like that would be Disney appropriate. You know what I'm saying?
Can I try yours?
Pretty good, yeah. I think yours is better.
No, I can see Donkey as R2D2.
I like yours more.
Yeah, I like mine more. Look at all the different flavors. Mermaid mix. Wow. Ocean mix, mermaid mix, Christmas mix. Oh yeah, there is a club here, the House of Blues. We're here at CityWorks, but we're early, so we're in CityWorks now. We were able to sit early. I think I'm gonna get a fruited flight because they're known for their beers and ciders. Very cool. Don't know what I'm gonna eat though. We got an order of pretzel bites and Chris is ready. Go. Is it hot? Here's our flight. Chris got the backyard and I got the fruit flight. Here's our food. I got the bacon cheeseburger with sweet potato fries. Chris got fries and a, was that chicken? Chicken sandwich. Florida citrus.
Oh, happy house.
Oh, this is
Happy house.
oh. We ate over there last time we came. No, the Terralina. T-Rex Cafe. Yeah, it's equivalent to Rainforest Cafe over there. But dinosaur themed. We stopped at Uniqlo to look for a belt. And I'm just finding everything else that's not a belt. It's raining a little bit.
Not really.
I put my poncho on.
Yeah, it was a waste. It's not really raining.
It's raining. We're still looking for a belt though. We're in a World of Disney now and it's very, very packed.
Yep.
Here's the Eternal section.
As we anticipated.
It's kind of overwhelming in here. But I found these ears that I wanted. Ears for Christmas up there. Hot tree. Oh! That's so cool. We got the dragon. No, that's a Loch Ness monster or something. Look at this Mickey Lego. That's amazing. Alright, we're gonna go to the Lego store. They have all different trees everywhere. I just walked into that sign. That's the Haunted Mansion one. Just walked into the Lego store. Titanic?
That is good. It doesn't float though.
Ted Lasso.
Well done.
We got Baby Yoda up in here. Oh. Holy moly. Look at this. That is so cool. So we're at Pin Traders right now. Going to attempt to trade some pins that I have in this box. I just bought a lanyard so I can put them on there and then trade more easily. What is that? I'm gonna trade this one and do the mystery pin trading. Right there. Now we're in the Christmas store. Oh, the Pizza Planet.
It lights up.
Yo.
Oh.
That's kind of cool. We're back at the Christmas tree at night. So now we're at Chicken Guy, and Chris has been waiting for this for 2 years. Let's see. We got the barbecue, brown sugar barbecue, and his favorite chicken. What do you think? Missed it? So good.
That was flavor town.
And then I got the Mac Daddy mac and cheese. So we just ate some chicken, guy. Super good, bringing it with us to get online for Gideon's because we got a text and we can finally go wait in line. So we're going up this inclined bridge.
Too much food. Here's the November menu. It smells so good. Alright, we're heading back to the hotel. We got the Gideon's cookie and we're gonna go wait for the bus. And my phone's kind of getting low now. Oh no. Hi, this is Editing Shay right now. I'm going through the video. For some reason I didn't do an outro of us leaving Disney Springs or getting back to the hotel. I don't know why. So I don't have any footage past what I just said about my phone being like the battery low. So yeah, this is the end of the video. We had a really great day, and like going back and editing it just like brings back such fun memories, and I can't wait to go back again. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching.